camping with Bonk. Bonk is brave. He packs his blanket. He packs his flashlight. He packs a peanut butter and a ladybug sandwich. I'm going camping, says Bonk. Azzo is Bonk's friend. Azzo's always worried. All by yourself, he said. All by myself, says Bonk. Lurk is Bonk's thoughtful friend. Will you be afraid? He asks. I'm never afraid, says Bonk. Snack is Bonk's friend too. Snack is happy. That sounds fun, he said. Bonk hikes all by himself. He sets up his tent all by himself. He eats his sandwich all by himself. Soon it's very dark. Bonk shivers. He hears a grunting. Maybe it's the fireflies, says Bonk. Wait, fireflies don't grunt, says Bonk. He hears stomping. Maybe it's a tree branch, says Bonk. Wait, tree branches don't stomp, says Bonk. He heard a stretching. Maybe it's the moon, says Bonk. Wait. The moon doesn't stretch, says Bonk. Bonk is afraid. His flashlight is broken. His sandwich is gone. Bonk hides under his blanket. He wipes his tears. He honks his nose. He listens to the noise growing louder. Soon there is grunting, stomping, and stretching all around the tent. Bonk stops. Who is there? asks Bonk. It's me, says Azzo. It's me, says Lurk. It's me, says Snack. Can we camp with you? They ask. But my flashlight doesn't work, says Bonk. I have no sandwich. My blanket is too small to share. That's okay, says Snack. Also, Lurk and Snack open their backpacks. Also has a flashlight. Lurk has cheese and cricket sandwich. Sandwiches. 'Snack has a big warm blanket. Bonk also learned a snack sing around the campfire. They wish on a star. They howl at the moon. Do you want I like most about camping? Asked Bonk. What? Asked Ozzy. Camping with my friends, says Bonk.
Good